Tucked gently along the edge where city life fades into nature, this newly redesigned residence, which we'll refer to as the Echo House, represents a modern architectural response to sustainability, memory, and natural connection. Inspired by the quiet charm of 1970s homes, yet guided by contemporary needs, Echo House does not rise from demolition, but evolves from preservation. The architectural goal was not to erase, but to reinterpret. What once was a neglected shell now becomes a refined, sustainable sanctuary, where old forms echo within new boundaries, and where every line tells a story rooted in time and forest. Echo House is not a monument to newness, but a respectful continuation of what already stood. While modern architecture often chases sleek forms and innovation through starting over, this home shows restraint. The decision to preserve much of the existing structure, its beams, core walls, and spatial orientation, reflects a shift toward conscious sustainability. As architects, we believe that true innovation lies not just in appearance but in how we honor what already exists. By working with the bones of the original house, we minimized waste, lowered our environmental impact, and paid homage to a history worth preserving. One of the most beloved features retained from the original structure was its 1970s-inspired sunken lounge, a space where conversation dips below the surface, both literally and emotionally. Rather than filling it in or raising the floor, we carved a new narrative around it. Surrounded now by soft birch paneling, with filtered sunlight streaming through a roof slit, this intimate pit becomes the heart of Echo House. It invites people to slow down, gather, and reconnect. It's a nostalgic spatial gesture, yet completely modern in the way it's lit, ventilated, and visually integrated into the open-plan layout. A bold, open staircase defines the vertical rhythm of Echo House. Originally a purely functional link between floors, it's now a sculptural element that celebrates movement through light and geometry. Clad in thin black steel and floating timber treads, the stays act like a spine, anchoring all the living spaces. A skylight above casts ever-changing shadows that shift with the day, making the act of climbing feel more like an experience than a necessity. This central gesture bridges the themes of openness and connection, not only vertically, but throughout the entire spatial design. On the ground floor, a major transformation took place. A deep overhang now stretches out from the kitchen and dining area into the lush backyard. This covered space blurs the line between interior comfort and outdoor serenity. Full-height sliding glass doors retract completely, allowing the breeze and birdsong to enter the home unobstructed. Echo House isn't just adjacent to nature, it breathes with it. The garden, once an afterthought, now becomes an integral part of daily life. Dinners extend into the open air, and morning coffee is accompanied by the rustling leaves overhead. A key challenge of the original structure was its limited access to natural light, especially under the heavy canopy of surrounding trees. The redesign focused on opening the house to its environment in strategic ways. Clerestory windows were introduced to invite sunlight while maintaining privacy. Formerly small and blocked openings were expanded to frame specific outdoor views. The result is a soft, dappled interior light quality, never harsh, always in dialogue with the movement of clouds and leaves. This nuanced play of brightness throughout the day ensures every corner of the home feels alive. Echo House's outer shell was reimagined not to hide its age, but to give it a new identity. Vertical timber cladding made from charred larch wraps around the structure with rhythmic precision. At ground level, the surface is tactile and deeply grooved, inviting the hand to touch and explore. Higher up, the texture smooths out, becoming a minimalist contrast. This variation creates a subtle architectural language, a dialogue between the tactile and the visual, between grounded presence and airy elevation. The facade becomes both camouflage and expression in the wooded context it inhabits. Inside, the palette is reduced but warm, a careful blend of preserved concrete, natural timber, soft textiles, and matte black fixtures. Nothing is superfluous. Every surface is either reused or renewable. The design aims to calm, not overwhelm. Despite its minimalist sensibility, Echo House feels personal, even cozy. Original floor tiles were kept in some parts, polished and given new life. New materials are introduced only where needed: insulation, window framing, and cabinetry, all chosen for durability and harmony. In this way, the house whispers rather than shouts, inviting a deeper engagement with space. True sustainability lies not just in passive gestures, but in performance. Echo House is equipped with triple-glazed windows, thick insulation, airtight construction, and an advanced heat pump system. Solar panels sit discreetly on the upper roof, concealed from street view but generating clean energy year-round. These choices were not made for visual bragging rights, but for long-term livability. Through all of this, the house achieves near energy neutrality. More than a design achievement, this represents a commitment to future living, where homes work in harmony with the planet, not against it. While the architecture of Echo House is intentional, it is not rigid. Spaces were designed to be flexible, to evolve with the lives of its inhabitants. The former garage, now a multi-purpose studio, can easily convert to a guest room or office. The upstairs bedrooms have movable partitions. The living room can expand into the garden or be enclosed for cozy movie nights. Nothing is fixed, everything responds. This adaptability ensures that Echo House remains relevant, not just for today, but for the generations that will live, grow, and dream within its walls. Echo House does not deny its history. It honors it, enriches it, and reinvents it for a new age. This is not just a house. It's a conversation between time, nature, and human intention. Its presence on the forest edge speaks of quiet confidence, of architectural maturity that embraces both restraint and innovation. At ALMAZ, we believe the future of home design is not always in building new, but in listening deeply to what's already there. Echo House is a living proof of that belief, a space where sustainability, memory, and beauty all converge.